Reinstall the ink bag. Move the ink cart to the middle position. Rotate the gear clockwise to lower the height of the waste ink pump. Remove the moisturizing device ink bag. Remove the ink bag from the sealed bag. Use a syringe to extract 3 milliliters of ink from each ink bag separately. After completing all 6 ink sacs, insert them into the print head. The insertion order is KW. Power on the printer. Wait for the printer to start up and complete. The indicator light stays on and the startup is completed. Remove the waste ink tube from the waste ink bottle. Using a syringe to extract waste ink tubes. Extracting 6 milliliters of waste ink is sufficient. Then put the waste ink bottle back. Press and hold the button for 5 seconds in standby mode to activate automatic cleaning of the printer. The indicator light is flashing, and cleaning has begun. During automatic cleaning, the waste ink tube will discharge waste ink. Cleaning completed, indicator light does not flash. Click on the Print Test page in the Printer Utility toolbar. The print head starts moving to print the test page. The complete test page indicates that there are no issues with the print head status.